A major drugstore chain stopping the sales of cigarettes. CVS will stop selling all tobacco products by October 1st. The company says selling cigarettes side by side with medicine undermines its mission to promote good health. Channel 11's Jodine Costanzo talked with people on both sides of the issue.
For anyone looking to pick up a pack of cigarettes along with their prescription, those days are numbered at CVS drugstores.
We're the first national pharmacy chain to step up and take this action.
America's largest pharmacy chain plans to stop selling cigarettes and other tobacco by October 1st. CVS says selling those products is inconsistent with their purpose of promoting good health, saying it's the right thing to do for the customers and the company. Channel 11 took the much talked about issue to the streets of downtown Pittsburgh.
Kind of makes sense, though, because it's a pharmacy.
Some smokers find the change discriminating.
They're going to cut out the cigarettes. They're going to cut out everything else that's unhealthy in the store, like the junk food and the candy.
Non-smokers told me it's a step in the right direction.
I'm very excited. Maybe it will help eliminate the smoking downtown.
The decision is a costly one for CVS. The company stands to lose about $2 billion a year. Several groups are praising CVS Caremark. The American Cancer Society calls it a bold public health decision. And the American Medical Association says we commend CVS for putting public health ahead of their bottom line. But it remains to be seen if the ban by CVS will curtail smoking. Some smokers told me they'll light up anyway.
Just go down to 7-Eleven and get smokes there.
It's our choice. It's our money. If we want to do it, we're going to do it.
Just not here at CVS. Downtown, Jodine Costanzo, Channel 11 News.
And President Obama, who, as you may know, is a former smoker, says the decision is, quote, ultimately saving lives and protecting untold numbers of families from pain and heartbreak for years to come. We want to know what you think about this. Join in on the conversation. Share your thoughts on our Facebook page.